Hello learners, today we want to talk about the sketching the oblique projection or shaped block in oblique given the views. The views that are given here, they are in the first angle of projection. You can see we have the front elevation, the plan, and then the end elevation. Now from that, now we want to sketch using instrument. How do we sketch using instrument? First of all, we are not going to use the measurements. You can see even on the diagram that we are given, we don't have the measurements. Now we are going to sketch it using instrument. How do we sketch? First of all, as the first thing, we need to develop the axis. Now I'm going to develop the axis. That is the horizontal axis, the vertical axis. Then we have the receding length. Also remember, when you are drawing this, remember to keep the proportionality. Remember to keep the proportionality of the drawing. Next, I'm going to finish the block. I'm going to finish the block from the axis. So I've drawn the front face. That is our front face. From there now, I draw the receding face, or we call it the end face. That is the end face. Then I finish by drawing the plan, or the up face, or the top face. Now, the next thing is we want now to add now the front, the features of the front on our box. We want now to add the features of our front on the box. How do we add the features on the front on our box? I'll start by this. You take your pair of compass. You can see there is an arc here. Now I can add the arc like that. I can add, that is our arc. So that is the front face. That is the front face. I can add on both. That is the front face. Now after that you can see I can now add the plan. The face of the plan. We have 1, 2. Now if we have 2, I can add it. That is our plan. So we have 1, 2. Now I can add now the end elevation. The end elevation, there are also 2. 1, 2. So I'll have 1, 2. Now after having that, now I can remove the part that I don't need, so that you can see there is a face that I've developed here. So that is it. Now I can draw the outline of my oblique. Draw the outline. Now that is my block in oblique. Looking at that, now we have the end elevation. This is the end elevation. This is the end elevation. This is the front elevation. And then we have the plan viewed from the top. Now, look at the proportionality. The end elevation is not that much big, so it is also drawn here. It's not that much big, but looking at the front elevation, the side of the front elevation, it is the longest side, and we have the plan view it from the top. Thank you, learners. Let's meet next time as we discuss more about oblique.